Hi, Prairie View students. So I'm in the library at school here, and I've been working hard at getting some of our new books cataloged. So when you come back in the fall, you'll have access to some new reads. But before then, we have a summer reading challenge for all of you, and I am super excited. So our reading challenge, if you go to the link that your teacher provided for you, it's going to look like this, and each of these is a link. Now, this one right here is the actual summer reading challenge. What you want to do is click on the link, and then you're going to come to, not that page, how about this one? You're going to want to print it out because you're going to do all of these different challenges, or as many as you can, and record your answers here and the date that you read the stories here. When you come back to school in the fall, you're going to bring this paper with you, so don't lose it. And you are going to be rewarded for your efforts. Plus, the coolest thing that we're going to do is we are going to create a wall of fame. So everybody who turns in a summer reading challenge sheet is going to get their picture taken and then put on our library glass wall. So we want as many of you on that wall as we can possibly get. Now next, if you go back to the summer reading area, you'll see that there's some links to our libraries. If you are not able to go to the library, some of them are still closed, but some of them do have where you can reserve a book and pick them up. But one really great feature is all the libraries have digital books or ebooks, and all you need is a library card, and you can go on any digital device and select books and check them out. And they're yours for 3 weeks, just as if you were to go to the library and check books out. Now, the other thing down here where this bowl of books is for our next year's grade 3 through 5. So if you're in second grade this year, third or fourth, this will apply to you. We have a book bowl in our district every year, and this is our list of books to read. I have created links on the list, so when you go to it, and let's see here, I'll just pull it up for us. You will see on this, if it has a blue title, that means there's a link to an ebook somewhere. So go ahead and get started reading those if you're in those grades. Now, the other great thing is I have created a Symbaloo with some easy links. This is also on our school website, and I want to show you how to get there. So I actually opened a new Google page, and I typed in Prairie View Elementary and Middle School. You have to include middle school because there's another Prairie View in Eden Prairie. Then I want to go to their website. Then I'm going to go to academics, and here's where I see our media center located. Down on the left side, you see a link to the Summer Reading Challenge Buncee, so that's there in case you lose your paper. And then at the very bottom are the quick links. Now, here's for K3 especially, I have created some links to ebooks, and what I've done is I've genreified them basically. And so if you go in, there's just a whole variety. That doesn't mean you have to read these. It's just to help you sort through Mac and Bia. But if you click on a book that you want to read, it'll take you right to that site. Now, here's the catch. When you log into your Chromebook, it always takes you to Rapid Identity. And I'm going to pull, I don't have mine up here, so I'm going to pull it up for us to see. So it'll look like this. The link that you want is this one. It's called Mac and Via. This has to be open before any of those links will work, okay? So now if I just click over, I'm going to move this down here so you can see. So I have all these links open. That's totally okay. It makes it way easier for you. So now what I'm going to do is go back to, let's see here. Which tab was it? Not Book Bowl. Symbaloo. Now if I click on Adventure here, it's going to pull up my adventure books. So now when I click on these books, it will load. So if they don't load, that's what you have to do, is you have to go to Rapid Identity and click on Mac and Bia. Well, Prairie View, I hope Lots of you do this challenge. You know, during the year, I always have that big wall of windows covered with colored paper. Um, and this time, I don't want to cover it with colored paper. I want to cover it with you so we can see what awesome readers we have at our school. I hope that helps you all. Have a fabulous summer and keep reading.